Hey guys, what's up? Matt here, and welcome to another episode of Just the Tip. All right, guys, put 2 minutes on the clock, and today what we're going to talk about is how to know if you're selling a scam, okay? I've touched on this briefly before, but basically what you need to do constantly, whenever you're selling anything, is you need to constantly be updated about the fulfillment of the actual program, okay? You never want to be in a position where you're selling stuff and you're doing your best and you really, really believe in a product, but you are not sure if it's actually being fulfilled, okay? So you need to constantly be updating with the people that you've sold. Bear this in mind, all right? You cannot keep everybody happy always. So trying is ridiculous. There's always going to be a percentage of people that are unhappy with what they're getting, regardless of how good it is, okay? So you need to bear that in mind. But you need to be constantly following up with the people that you've sold and asking for referrals and that kind of stuff. If you're getting absolutely no referrals, okay? If the commissions are super high, if people are kind of falling off, if you're not being given access to the people who you've sold, or they're really trying to segregate you from what's going on, then they potentially don't want you to uncover what they're doing. So, there's also industries that are known for this, or biz op industries or Forex and like all these kind of like things that are just in general difficult to understand. These can be scams, okay? And sometimes they're not intentionally being scams, but they're just so bad at their job that they are kind of scamming people. So it's just important for you that you're always doing your due diligence about what you're selling and how well it's going for the people that you've sold. And even if it's not a scam, but they're just not very good at their job. I've been in a situation before where I sold for a guy and I just found out he wasn't any good at his job. And so I had to leave that because I was like, man, I can't put myself in a position to where my name is attached to something that's just bad. Constantly updating what you're doing, what your clients have been doing, how effective the program is, and just basically how happy people are. If you just get a bad feeling or it just feels icky, then just stop immediately, okay? Because if you're a good salesman, especially if you're a good salesman, you don't want to be stuck selling something that's no good. All right, guys, hope that was helpful.